Sanko no fe ne braso ya ye bedie meda se wo twa me wo hia me ya frɛ me anoche waba adwa se wana wohwɛ me bonkum so ho a bon se ne de na ewime na fe manko a na yatena se se me ma ne nyoma ho me kakra ene yaduru ma ne so na wo mu a ahia wa hai de odi nkan wo me bonkum so no Laurie Fon we wo no na Africa most beautiful USA odi nkan with a beautiful smile ono ena wo ha say ena forever young wose wonyini da on say so that in fact ama me kwa do nyini me bompa say me nyina me yese ya efe na akono pa Nana Akosua Nkrumah Adasa ono no ye organizer was CEO Edema Abofrem Foundation sa foundation no ena edi dwumaso no ya etisei ena de wo twato ho kra Angel Kisi Edu ono na me de be ka chi pa typical chi ena me ne be ka wo fidiom ha say empanifo me mama akwa aba Laurie, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yes, ono no mo de be che. E be ko brofo sanse ono no ofri Cameroon. Enti chi no enya de se otie enti yen free nkomo twetwe no once. Me free free nana ho. Nana,
papa.
Nanka ma ye o matukwan no makodu US. Mo mo nyiro mo ho en. Nsi se bikini ntino mba bia e. Na sa de ade akwachechiro mo kwan. Ampotum sa amamre ne amane ahia ho pa.
Sa pepe medase say wa mama kwenye na ubusa me say amane ne amane de di kan me kire watiefu nyina ene wa hwefu nyina ayaya no kre amamre de ye ntontwene say me yo ba panyina me ye wo hema idie na ba bia me wo bia na wo se me kire amamre no e wo honom enti amamre ne amane de oba uduru ba bia ifra ntoma efra bi ye shatare nso no asibi
Nana yenso why organize it? What goes into it? There na wo digina so eboabo wo mo ano.
Big question no. Kwankra ye befa so aboabo wo ma ho wo ma no no. Din yie. Kire se wo mu free enkuro ena wo mu beka bo.
Amaya ho do so nya Ghana nko a.
Ai America nkura bebre. Ene ye bo ye bo nkontene ehwehwe maya no ewum. Enti no enya easy say ye benya emabunu say na ya ma wo mo abesisa akenya no enya easy kra
na enya den ma onso obi wa wakotena foreign country ni su ne ban asesa onso da nya amamre ne nisa adwuma na nya den
eden pa eden eyampa enkra no bebre omunje amamre ne ni kire say this year no said ye open no said ye pese wo mo ye no enkura ni bi wo a wo mo nye omo ye kan say omo motam omo nim said ye si botam ti no na eden
enso sa we dey si wani so nti no still no wa ya dear mama nko Angel ho Angel kwa aba na me do wo katwi no pa to ase because we dey wo ye Ghana ni ye share competition no who join ye net say na mo ye do say
Also, yes, actually, and the picture was about 17 of us.
Okay.
But along the way, because it's July and all of that. But we ended up with 7 people.
Wow.
Pretty girls.
Was it tight?
It was tight. It was a competition, but at the end of the day, you're
all right, I'll get back to you. We see I say empanifo me de wo mo twetwe nkomo no. Se wo kwa US abrochi memu a dwumedie stronko na ekoso wo ho. African most beautiful USA. Na say ebibrem amman a ewo ebibrem hanom no. Ena emu mayo ewo US abrochi memu no watumi aboaba wo mu nyina no achese woni wo mu edi dwumaso no ya etise nti wo mu ena me ne wo mu ahia organizer wo hasemara me ne wo mu etwetwe enkomo esa ewo honom ma mensan enko nana so nana wo na abo amana no anye bia was it tough but ansa na ye bekọ nana honom no wo de yenye brani nhwewemra Amenko Angel Kisi Edu ho. Angel, kwaba. Yanshe we join a competition no na mo yedid was saying how has it been so far? Angel, I'll come back to you. Okay, just a minute. Afi mame nko Laurie hono mo na afi yeni nkomo. Laurie, good morning.
Good morning.
I hope you're okay.
Yes, please. Thank you.
How has the competition been so far?
The competition was a great experience. It was challenging, but it was a wonderful experience that I don't know if I'll ever experience something like that again, but I enjoyed every single moment of it.
Did you expect to bag this position?
To be honest, I did not. I did not. It was my second time competing. And as you all know, when people compete in beauty pageants, they compete over and over again about 5 to 6 times before they win, you know. But I just decided to compete again because I knew the experience the second time was not going to be the same.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So after being or imagine first, what are some of the projects that you want to carry out?
Some of the projects that I want to carry out is giving back to my community. You know, helping the helpless, donating, and I've already started doing some back home in the US and in my country, and so we've come to Ghana to do a lot more. But yeah, I also want to just encourage young people, young girls to, you know, to be confident in themselves and to know who they are, to not be afraid to chase after their dreams.
Okay.
Yes.
So now let's talk about the people in Cameroon. How do they feel right now?
A lot of them are happy. My family and friends are very surprised, you know, that this has happened to me, and everybody just keeps encouraging me to keep moving forward and to keep doing great things.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
That's a Laurie from where I don't know, bro. For now, posa ya can't go on in. I see a mini cocoa. No, I'm de my home dinner. A bro for Sano. Ninja say, not a more dame. But it was worth it. So we're joining here. We are the Tosum, you know, our call. The Dean kind of one said, and Randy Musa, the Tosum, you know, and I want to be a Dunkunim. Now, when you come Cameroon, will be any agent, a bush, your first when you ask when the agent who ye say, we are buyer now, sister, you made yet to say, Coswa, who do who shame sons, and was see a mamre, a see a money, what's here, see, and the Yama who was work, Quamo, Pessoa, not son a bushia, and any man for you now, any. Okay, enti yanko nana akosuan kroma da san wotoso miensa eho nana masanya ba ohobium yenhwe competition ya wo ye challenges ne bi ne de hin
ebi ne enkura me maya na ye ne wo mu esi akensie no kire se obi afi na wo ba obi antete yenko se de obi akasa nko enti no eden pa na wo twi mienu to say yen de etim ye de wo mo ewo efie ba komo for na watwe mienu enye easy to groom them no obi anko ne se de obesi akasa akere wo ene wo mo nante bi unim America fo nkora but yenya de esi ene so se ebeye no ye beye enu nti na ye pese ye tete mabunu no se de esi kasa akere panyini
okay
enu nti na ye yesa ade we enu nti no eya normal
sabe yo munchi nyira
sa
obesa tie si kwan ne so me da se nana mame ko Angel ho Angel, finally I am back to you. Angel, not feeling it to say throughout the competition.
It was exciting because me home girls baby me home mother and Mission will be a personality. Me a very hyper. And see, Kakabia na mabe wa downfall. So some of them, me who say it be not yet. But it was just trying to learn who everybody was. But at the end of the day, you know, we all got along. And yeji and I answer yeah. Then they will say yeah.
Now we shall say ubenya crown no.
Wachane.
And na the onya yeni.
Wachane.
Etino wabamwa bu ana you still proud of what you had?
Ebu kakra because obiani ho on person obi wini bibi but at the end of the day no minum say me your him ma makume mu dada
yes
a challenge no e make a difference bia the me person me na the damage no just keep going with
so
that.
Janshe wabaye second runner up, what are some of the projects was a one that take you communities?
Okay, so me organization here for autism because my older brother spectrum no. So in our community, African community, and I feel sad, any sheda and call autism,
okay.
And start time na ya wahano na or school because it wasn't too popular like that. I feel that nowadays nice in here about kakra, but me pese me chini ba no be who say just because all different spectrum I know just say when your papa na say be wide range nti me pese me visit omo tisano me some organization be I get in touch hopefully meti me akona me coordinate bibi kakra na me who say they're not by themselves. Me too, I go through it and I know how it is.
So the what was special children, autistic ones.
Yes.
All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Nana, my memory, do you know Udina Fibia?
Me pachawane.
Inti, wait also saying,
say season 3 money away.
Anyway. Tianko next year, Yansha season 4 and
next year is season
3. No? Yes. Okay.
Next year July.
And a season 3 no. Wow. Now o foundation, me dem say Abofrem Foundation. And no na o de yes adwumadi.
Yes.
Eno nko na Africa Most Beautiful USA nko na say other projects Abofrem Foundation
Abofrem Foundation ye project bebre. Abofrem Foundation CC hospitals. Ye tutu nsuoma villages. Na ye science schools.
Okay.
Na Abofrem Foundation na se Ghana nko na meye ema wo mo. Enti no me ne me team adwen say I want to do more.
Okay.
Enti no ye be boaboa emabunu ano na obi a wo free African countries no de obewi ne ye be konu krom na yakwa akoye bibi wo honom. Enti abaye yi a wo free Cameroon ni ye me push me to ya abaye ya wo free Cameroon ni ye ko ono su kromu na yakwa akoye dwumadie bi wo ho ama no. Enti ye pese yakwa African countries but ye just say ye nya mabunu sei e no madi anim ti ade a Abofrem Area Foundation ye no
ye no nti say de won pese be ye Ghana nko a
dabi ya bo Ghana ye na
mo de mo ba be hyem nyina se Cameroon fo aba bi wo be call mo nso no mo so dia
ka kra ko ho dadampo because Christmas ya mema ewisia a wo mo Cameroon yama wo mu nuane ene enkura wo mu ne namba sabasa ye wo videos ni nyina wo ho enti e di kan akọ nom sabe nya ya ye nipa na ekọ ho beti esika de akọ ho enti no de ye no
nana yeda se wodwene mabunu ne ho na amamre ne amane ensu ehia now to my favorite person baako personally dey be I admire him from afar yesu no omwa na jiji ye nia ho de bia se de watwa kwata na no kra zo no zo kwata no so kra se won se de hunu twa papa bia ho ana resire de na sa so hu di pakro honorable Kofori Atnase opanyi ma che kwa ba
ya obi ade
mo bo adwuma o
ya dwuma o
ya me kansa
so se mama asresa na se
Menkasa se de ye dro
I know
se de ye dro nya mu bia bia anka depression kra kuye
yeah
da mo asese mo nso mafa sa adwuma no
da mo asese mo nso
ye ni komo for Africa Most Beautiful USA ho so far competition no ho aboabo ne ho nyama tesɛn
mama fa akonya so ma mahwefo no motifo akwaba obroni be say it hasn't been easy because Ghana hana woye na you know a lot of people are able to me come home for more and I support the but in America no very difficult for them to even understand you know and easy and most of the companies now mobile to me are support no so no they only tell you said they don't do beauty contest so what they say and you know basa na be personal effort you know Abofrem and finance all these you know throughout I just say easy you know for instance this year the NC baby a koye no ye worship mu and ship no make one it's crazy you know
wow.
Yes but Nyankopon ye Adom ema ye to me koye and it became one of its kind in America never in the history of America.
Na o hwe se de musi eden na emu mabam.
Obrasha se eden but we no nyamensem. Me gidi se odofu o ye fu na okoji asase na odo a o hwe se na eda hotra na ebu abemu you can't do anything. but utumi nya gidi say udua ebe fifiri ema asase na da ho pefe no abe cover I mean enuane be cover so ama woni agide a I don't think say ebe bu abam enye easy, that is the truth because thousands of dollars as seminar yeah kano even the prices for the contestants, you know, winner no enya car with thousands of dollars.
Okay.
And sana second runner up on sika ako vacation, you know, near the ansana third, you know.
And in Badwam Foundation na all sponsor Bibia.
Yes. And aside that in the crown, there is a project she has to embark on. And this will be supported by Badwam. And you know, which you see in the crew no we tackle mostly on water, like in Sio, any Nema, Emma, Nipenya Pomudin, hence, and we tackle on those things. Nina can hobby, you know, until any be at that form.
Okay.
But yes, in the piece, ye bay any dear, na ye so you say, and she be an Yamia, Doma, obey more. Na botaina ye de peja ye no SCP because sena nana himadi kan no they be fetching for the girls no crowd.
Yes, enough
and yet easy fetching for them and yet easy and nipa no nya odo bia na regime bi so person ya you know na fe abusia namfo no mafiase adan na you know omububu na bemu and all that, you know, the nipa na nya courage and to me amba, you know, na and even ko to me ba audition be ye but later no aba say
on to me
yeah,
said the pressure will feel
exactly,
okay,
you know. And most of them too, they come from out of states. Say be last year or New Jersey, this year or New York, you know, say nipa ni free train or bar, you know, Lori, she comes from Boston, which is about 4 to 5 hours drive. Yes, to New York, and she was driving back and forth and all. And Florida. you know, and yeah, easy, crowd.
Wow.
Yes, and then when they also come, we house all of them. Yeah, house so more, and then we feed them. We, you know, move them back and forth. Yeah, places in so yeah, do more call to have fun. You know, I mean, it's a very exciting event. You know, but what goes into it, you know, is the matter. That's the problem, yeah.
And easy. Nana, yeah, Breno, yasun, tibimra ho. What is your motivation?
Se me hu se mebunu esre. Se me hu se obia esre. Se me hu se ukrani ese nana wa mama kuma to meyem. Se me hu se akura bia wonam street mu obeka se nana school a usi yenti ene mitimi ko school. Enchiriment na me yesa de we nyina. Me hu se abaya se isre a e ma meyem mo.
And Chimada say, Lori, your final comments to your people.
I just want to say thank you so much for having us here today. It's been a wonderful experience, and yeah, may God bless you.
All right, bless you too, Angel. Dear now, DJ, mindful.
Pacho, I just want to encourage anybody out there, say, even if you don't feel like it, that's when you need to do it. And just bring attention to what you feel is right, because you never know when you're will be our best son in life with just what you want to do.
Okay.
To me, that's it.
Mr. Bedase, go for reparting comment, Uncle.
Well, you better Adom TV multimedia. Yeah, most must say. I'm say from day one, you've been very helpful, and I think say we need to say a big thank you to you. And Adofo being so omutai. One say yeah, be at that form, but if they want to, you know, come out to support us and so Akonya no ewo I almost winning so I almost call embassies, you know, like she was taken to on a Cameroonian ambassador to the US, you know, and yeah, do more so gradually it's getting bigger and better, but we think we need to do more. Intino say adofo beba beboa ka eno so enye ahonjo ebe ye nije you know, because I think between February and March, you better launch it this year.
Okay.
There, now I start to recruit 2 girls, you know, and then, you know, until.
Me da say, Nana, final words, ne uncle.
Adom media, Madam Masipa, say Afibia, Madam Maya Iba, Musoyemu, na Muyi Echregana mine. Yame Shramope ye, na me fa Quenya so ada Mr. Pedwase, because a Jumadi and Yebe, you know, one Ujine ye director kese pa no ojane adwuma ba America ebe boaye nti medana sina meda obi bia se ya dofo ya tamfo bia me mo bia so afinhia pa nyame hira mu nyina
nsha won so ewusia Afisem so eni ye sorry anesa na wo mo be ka mensa no eye Africa most beautiful USA wo mo ye wie ye no de wodi kan ye lorry fon where wono ne di kan wo free Cameroon mine emu na Angel Kisi do ye second runner up no de wo free Ghana ha ya na afa call for ri wodi muntinti man pa e kobra nyina no Africa most beautiful esina konkon na afa kofa by na akosua nkroma da sa woto so miensa oye organizer no kwa na sa ye CEO de ma Abofrem Foundation a sponsor support jumadi atisi omo na me wo mo atwetwe enkomo na me sorry anesa na me sorry no happy birthday nessa woda pastronko enko Emma Ajekum Jacob owa aboso kan wo free Akim Oda etreso nyankopon entre won kwabam adwuma wo ye bia spare pass a woton no nyankopon twe nkrofo ma na enkoye wo hia me a eya freme anochiwa ba ajwa sewa ye sorry so Afisem asine mom kai say sister Sandy be ye guy obetwa so nti enko ba bia afisiapa